In the silent hours of the night, as the world slips into serenity, the delicate war between wakefulness and sleep unfurls within us. Despite the simplicity with which many animals surrender to slumber, humans often wrestle with an array of sleep-disrupting adversaries born of modern lifestyles and consequently suffer the bitter aftermath of poor sleep, impacting physical health, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Mastering the art of perfect sleep is not just beneficial, it is a critical aspect of maintaining optimal health and well-being. This essay explores 24 scientifically backed strategies to enhance the quality of your sleep, tapping into the reservoir of research and age-old wisdom, refined and clarified for your nocturnal well-being. Sleep isn't a uniform state of rest that we descend into. Rather, it is a complex, cyclical journey through various phases, each crucial for different aspects of health regeneration. The human sleep cycle comprises multiple rounds of non-REM and REM, rapid eye movement sleep. Throughout the night, the balance between these stages ensures that our bodies perform vital functions like memory consolidation, emotional processing, and physical recovery. In understanding these cycles, one can optimize sleep's restorative benefits by aligning sleep patterns more closely with these natural rhythms. For example, waking during light sleep stages leaves us feeling more refreshed than if we were jolted awake from deep REM sleep. As night falls, our bodies rely on external clues to trigger sleepiness, primarily through light exposure. The hormone melatonin orchestrates this natural drowsiness, signaling to our bodies it's time to wind down. However, artificial lighting, particularly the blue light emitted from screens, can significantly impede melatonin production. Strategically dimming household lights and avoiding screens at least an hour before bed can foster a stronger melatonin response. For those who need a compromise, consider devices or apps that filter out blue light, but understand that turning off screens completely is ideal. Our body temperature naturally dips at night, initiating sleep onset. Therefore, maintaining a cooler bedroom temperature, ideally between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, can enhance sleep quality. Experiment with thermostat settings to find what's most comfortable for you, keeping in mind that cooler is generally better for deeper sleep. Layering blankets rather than cranking up the heat allows for easy adjusting throughout the night, aligning with your body's fluctuating temperature needs. Crafting the perfect bedroom environment is essential. The bedroom should be a sanctuary designed explicitly for sleep. Elements such as blackout curtains, soothing colors, and minimal clutter collectively promote a calming atmosphere. The use of essential oils like lavender can also enhance this effect, creating a sensory shortcut to relaxation. Invest in blackout curtains to mitigate urban light pollution and consider a white noise machine to drown out disruptive sounds. Furthermore, ensure your bedroom is reserved for sleep and intimacy only, thus conditioning your brain to associate the space with rest. Let's talk about sound advice for managing noise disturbance. Unexpected sounds, from street traffic to a partner's snoring, can significantly disrupt sleep. Here, the goal is to control the noise environment as much as possible. Using tools like white noise machines or earplugs can mask intrusive noises. For more personalized control, soundproofing bedroom walls or using thick carpets can also absorb sound, creating a quieter, more serene environment. The bed matters when it comes to choosing the right mattress and pillow. Investing in a good quality mattress and pillows can dramatically improve sleep quality. The right mattress conforms to your body's shape, supporting the spine correctly, while the right pillow should align your neck comfortably. Consider your sleeping position when selecting these. Firmer mattresses are often better for those who sleep on their backs, while softer ones might benefit side sleepers. Similarly, the thickness and firmness of your pillow should complement your regular sleeping posture. Developing a bedtime routine is akin to programming your mind and body to wind down. This routine might include reading, light stretching, or yoga, meditation, or simply reflecting on the day's events in a journal. Sticking to a calming routine sends a clear signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. This consistency greatly improves your ability to fall asleep quickly and enjoy uninterrupted sleep. The human body thrives on regularity. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, can significantly strengthen the sleep-wake cycle. This regularity not only makes it easier to fall asleep, but also enhances the quality of sleep. Anchor your sleep schedule by setting a non-negotiable wake-up time and adjusting your bedtime to ensure adequate sleep duration, typically 7 to 9 hours for most adults. What you eat and when you eat profoundly impact sleep quality. A light dinner, rich in proteins and low in carbohydrates, may promote better sleep. Similarly, integrating foods that naturally increase melatonin, such as cherries, nuts, and oats, into your dinner can help. Avoid heavy, rich meals close to bedtime as they can cause discomfort and disturb your sleep. Also, drinking fluids should be minimized towards the evening to reduce nighttime awakenings for bathroom trips. Regular physical activity is well known for its myriad health benefits, including improved sleep. Exercise helps to synchronize your body's internal clock, reduce stress, and alleviate anxiety, all conducive to better sleep. Timing matters. Engaging in vigorous exercise too close to bedtime can be stimulating rather than relaxing. Aim to complete any intense workouts at least 3 hours before bedtime, allowing your body time to unwind naturally. However, light exercises like stretching or walking might be helpful close to bedtime, aiding your transition to sleep. Both caffeine and alcohol have significant, albeit different, impacts on sleep. Caffeine, a stimulant, can disrupt your capacity to fall asleep and alter the structure of the sleep cycles. Conversely, while alcohol might initially act as a sedative, it profoundly disrupts the quality of sleep, infringing on the crucial REM stages. Limit caffeine consumption to the early parts of the day and moderate alcohol intake, especially close to bedtime, to safeguard your sleep quality. In our digitally saturated world, electronic devices have infiltrated the bedroom, casting a blue light that disrupts our natural sleep rhythms. This tech hygiene emphasizes mindful disengagement from screens at least an hour before bed to support natural sleep-inducing processes. Consider using settings on your devices that minimize blue light exposure in the evening, or adopt routines that replace late-night screen time with soothing activities. Through these 24 strategies, this essay not only aims to enlighten you on the science and subtleties of sleep, but also provides actionable tips to reclaim the night, ensuring sleep becomes a restful escape rather than a nightly challenge. By systematically incorporating these practices into your routine, you can aspire to not only sleep better but live better, awakening each day to the boundless possibilities a well-rested mind and body can explore.